Hey guys, I'm just running Zorin OS 16 and I'm going to install some stuff. My new battery tester and test this battery. So it's a work in progress. I've just installed Zorin 16. And what it's done is I've wanted to install the driver for the USB to TTL converter. Not 100% sure where I really needed that for Linux, but I've installed it just to make sure that I've got it there. And it's gone and it's grabbed Play on Linux, it's grabbed Wine Tricks, Wine 64, and it has its own Windows program as well. I'm really enjoying the software. I might even contribute to it. Now, it's got a very good feel to it. I've just been playing with it and I went into here and I've changed some of the settings in here. So the appearance is there. So you can just go to the appearance and you can change it to different setups. You can make it do wobblies like that by changing to jelly mode. So if I turn jelly mode off, it just goes back to normal. It's a pity it doesn't have firecracker mode. The software it's copying is ComWiz and it's part of Linux, but you have to install it normally. And yeah, and it's got different desktops. You can remove things like getting rid of your home directory, or put it back in there, and you can remove mounts and all the rest of it. You can change your fonts, which is quite good. It's a pity you can't change your icons, because that would be awesome as well, but it is Linux, so you get what you get. Yeah, if you buy the paid version in Australia, I think it's about $80 odd or £39.95 or euro, about the same. So we're just installing everything now. This will finish. So I've installed Windows App Support, which is one program that I didn't remember. That's in there now. Now I'm using Andy's page. I could go to the Chinese page, which I have used, and it's now going to update everything and put everything into a wine bottle and sort that out. So now it's going to install everything for me, and I'm going to go finished, and that's finished. Now I've got to go back. I'm on Andy's page. If you don't know Andy, go and look him up. He's quite renowned with the solar panel group and batteries and stuff. I have downloaded this software onto another Windows computer and I didn't get it going properly, so I'm doing it on the Linux computer to give it a go. Why not? So now it's downloading that. It almost looks like Windows, doesn't it? So I'll get this going, and then I've got to go and play with my Node-RED, because I had a problem with Node-RED. I took to Peter Scargill, and he's on holiday, so I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and work it out myself. So is that the update? I don't think that is. View all details. Did that download? No. I've got it saving. It's not showing up here. Hold on. Let's go up here. Yeah, it did show up here. And so now I've got to run the setup. Run the setup anyway. So it's now running the setup. This setup has detected that your Microsoft Visual Basic out of date. Okay, install. we're going to install. So my update is out of date. Anon. VCC. Can't say no. Make a shortcut to this. Shortcut to your current user only. It's great. Alright, so now it's installed. Now I'm not sure whether this will actually run. I've got to locate where I've put it. The actual background changed all this. You can change it 4 different types, but you can change it to more if you need to, if you pay for the extra. See, there's play on Linux, which you'll need if you're using a different OS. Just need to find wine. So wine uninstaller, wine config. Let's go to the wine config file and see if we can find it. So we've got all the stuff here. This is wine. Use this heaps, but I haven't used it for a while. So the drivers are in place. Desktop integration. It's got audio pulse there. Not 100% sure where the application should be. Add application. So let's go into that one. And go into here. And go into here. Okay. So where is it? And how do I find it? This is a bit annoying. So I am wondering if that's it there. I'll see if it works. Yes, there you go. So I have now installed the software for the charger tester onto Linux. And quick one for people with not a lot of computers in their shed. You can pick up a second-hand computer and run this beautiful desktop. Now, if you pay for the operating system, you can make it look like Apple. And this has got a touch screen on it as well. So if I go there, I've got keyboard, and I'm very happy with that. So this has worked. Now, all software doesn't work on this. I think if you're running Steam and you decide that you want to use this for Steam, I think out of the 40 or 50,000 software packages, I think about 10 work or 7,000 work, which is only a guess, but at the time, this is the start of September 2021. I'm in lockdown, of course. Beautiful day outside and I can't go anywhere. But look at the screen, it's awesome. So yeah, I've got a perfect view out of my shed. There's my rig for doing proper camera work over there, which I've got to set up soon. And here's what I'm doing with the battery. So I have the battery under here. It's all balanced now. I've checked it with a multimeter. And that is in parallel. All these are paralleled across. This is the opposite way around, so that's why I had to use cables. And I will start charging after I test this thing out. So if you've got any questions and you want more information on this software, pop over to Andy's channel, the Off-Grid Garage, I think it is. I'm just DIY Chucks, but I will be doing different things as well to Andy, which, you know, that's life. Andy's got stuck a little bit, and the good thing is I reversed everything when the house was already here, so I put the shed on last, whereas Andy's shed was on first, so then he put the power board was in there already, so he's got a lot of problems there, but he'll work it out, I'm sure he will. I am going to hook this up, and hopefully eventually I'll be able to hook this up to our so we'll hook up to our grey water tank under the ground and pump it out. So please leave some comments below. I'll see if I can get a test done today, and please subscribe, like and subscribe. I noticed that a lot of you guys watch my shows, but you don't subscribe to me. Which, you know, I don't mind, you know, but it would help. I don't have any other funding. I don't have funding for beers. I don't have funding for Patreon. I don't have any of that stuff. I'm doing this by myself, and that's why it's taking so long. I don't put a video out every week or every so many days, because I'm actually doing this myself, and I try to make money out of bits and pieces that I do, and then I move on to the next level. So yeah, I don't have the type of funds other people have. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and if you want to see more of Zorin 16, I'll try to change this. I don't like this. Oh, the mouse works. That's good. And we want to change the display, of course. So there's software. Oh yeah, there's beautiful software packages here. You can just Audacity is a very good handy little thing to run. I usually run that, so I'll install that while I'm here. Now there are other packages and stuff that you can do via the terminal, and because I have been playing with this for almost 20 odd years, I think before that I was using a Amiga to do my stuff. I have used Windows all my life as well, but Amiga and pretty much this. So yeah, hacking stuff isn't unknown to me. So the only problem with this is it's only got a 2.4 gig Wi-Fi card, which I need to upgrade. I need desperately to upgrade there. And I have this computer here which is running, I think it's running Windows 10. I need to get another power block for it, and I might give that away to someone. It's touchscreen as well. I seem to be picking up things like this. This one I picked up from a computer shop that I pick up a lot of stuff from. And they just were getting rid of it, and they just said, take it with you. It's just rubbish. But it's not really rubbish. I think it's, I can't remember what the actual processor was on this, but yeah, it's pretty damn good. And look, you've got all these stuff in the middle here. Not sure what that is. Oh yeah, well that's pretty handy. I can see all three screens like that. And that's about it. Have a great day. Catch you on the next one. See ya.